Hello, it's me again, Henny, also known as the MeasurLink Man. With the help of Mitutoyo's network of skilled engineers and distributors, we implement MeasurLink to manufacturers all around the world so your products can have the highest quality. And guess what? MeasurLink has gotten even more powerful. Now you'll be able to analyze hundreds, thousands, even millions of data points in a matter of seconds with the new MeasurLink Defect Analytics Report for Power BI. Our pre-built report is 9 pages of useful analytics so any engineer, supervisor, or manager can evaluate areas for improvement. Let's take a look to see how powerful MeasurLink can be. We're going to take a look at the Defect Analytics Report for Power BI on the MeasurLink.com website, so you can actually see for yourself if this will work for you. So navigate over to MeasurLink.com, go to Products, and scroll down over to the Defect Analytics Report for Power BI. This is going to be 9 pages of Defect Analytics Report. The main page is going to be the summary page. Here we can see that I have over 1.1 million parts inspected and 24,000 defects. So I can evaluate over 1 million parts here and see exactly what my defect percentage is, what days of the week are going to be worse than others, and what hours of the day are going to be more problematic than others. Simply, if I'm interested in looking at one day or 1 hour a little bit more closely, I can just click on Friday here and see that while I have a 2.78% defect percent, well, most of my defects are coming from my third shift. From my 4 a.m. hours, almost 16.5% are going to be my defects. So if I'm an engineer or a manager and I want to understand what's going on and how I can reduce defects as much as possible, well, I may start here at 4 a.m., implement better training or improve some other process to make sure that that doesn't keep happening. I can click on Friday again to reset it and it brings it back to normal. Down here, I can see all the different characteristics that I've measured and what are going to be the defect counts and the percentages as well. So I can right click here and I have a couple of really good functions here. I can do the drill down where I can evaluate just that characteristic and what are going to be the problem days or the problem hours for that one characteristic. If I want to bring it back, I can right click and just drill back up. What I can also do is use the drill through function, and then I can bring up a new page specifically for that characteristic. So I can see the count for every day and every hour and see a table of when those measurements happened, what station they happened at, and what were the values. If we want to go back, I can go ahead and click the back button and bring it back to my summary page. Another page we can take a look at is going to be the overview page. This is going to tell me my defect counts by percent and by month. So over the course of 2 years here, from April 2018 to 2020, I can see that I had quite a bit of defects, made some process improvements, brought it back down, and then it came back up here in March of 2020. So something strange happened there and we should go investigate and figure that out. I can start to use my right-click options as well here, right? So if I'm interested in taking a closer look at routine number 84, whatever that might be, you know, could be a milling operation or a lathe operation or something like that, and maybe I want to drill down or drill through it as well. And then I can start to see information just for that routine. And I can start to see here all my defects over time and over by each hour for that routine. If I want to get back, I'll just hit the back button here. So that is just 2 of the 9 pages of the MeasurLink Defect Analytics Report for Power BI. To check out the rest, go to MeasurLink.com and see for yourself if it's a good fit for you and your organization. For questions, contact me, MeasurLink Man, or better yet, contact your local rep or distributor for more information.